Hello children, my name is Susie and I would like to tell you a story. My story is called Some Dogs Do. When Sid set off for school one day, a happy feeling came his way. It filled him up so much he found his paws just lifted off the ground. Without a how, without a why, Sid fell up towards the sky. Through swirling puffs of cloud he twirled, above a tiny toy town world. In the land of sun and moon, like a doggy-shaped balloon. At school, Sid asked his best friend Ben, "Did you see me fly just then?" "Don't be daft," came Ben's reply. "You're a dog and dogs can't fly." "But I did," said Sid. I did. In the classroom, Sid said, "Hey, guess what? I flew to school today." His classmates giggled, yelped and howled. "Dogs don't fly to school," they howled. "But I did. Miss Mare, the teacher, shook her head. "Now, Sid, you shouldn't lie," she said. "All dogs walk and jump around, but dogs don't fly. It can't be done." "But I did, said Sid. Gus said, "Right, if you could fly, come outside. Let's see you try." Sid's happiness had gone by. He tried to get it back again. He thought about the clouds up high, and then he jumped towards the sky. Flop! Uh-oh. "You see, you're just a dog," said Gus, "with paws for walking just like us. That will teach you not to lie. Now you know that dogs can't fly." When Sid walked home from school that day, it seemed a long and lonely way. And once at home with Mum and Dad, deep inside he still felt bad. He did the things he always did, but something wasn't right with Sid. His dad came out and asked, "What's up? You seem unhappy, little pup." Sid sat staring at the sky, and all he said was, "Dogs don't fly." Sid's dad slowly raised his head. "I know a secret, Sid," he said. "Could you keep it safe inside?" "What's the secret?" Sid replied. He turned around, and then he knew. Now you know a secret too. Sid's happy eyes were open wide. "I knew it! Dogs do fly!" he cried. Sid's dad said, "Come fly then, Sid." And that's exactly what Sid did. Do dogs fly? Is it true? Some dogs don't, and some dogs do. That's the end of our story. I hope you liked it. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.